Meaning of diagnostic program.
Diagnostic program.
Diagnostic program.
Diagnostic program.
Diagnostic program. A diagnostic program is a software tool used to test and identify issues with computer hardware or software. When run, the program performs a series of tests on the system and generates a report outlining any problems detected. This can include identifying faulty components, software conflicts, or other issues that may be affecting the performance or stability of the system. The results of a diagnostic program can be used to troubleshoot problems, make repairs or upgrades, and improve the overall performance and reliability of the computer.